the finest new team. And that's the 6,000 teammates that are here with us today. Please give them a huge round of applause.
I'm proud of this team. You guys, you do it well. You did it great. Be very, very proud of what you've done.
When I look at this 787 Dreamliner, I see the power of the human spirit and camaraderie amongst co-workers.
We are telling the entire world that we build things in South Carolina. We build cars, we build tires, and now we build dreams. Big Mac Daddy 787 dreams.
Today we say we build jets. Let's hear it. We build jets.
We build jets. We build jets.
Thank you, production company. Excellent, excellent. Chuck, Jim, excellent job.